if you go to a normal insurance firm, they will cover you by yourself. And it may cost 200, 300, up to, how much ever, hundreds of dollars. But what we cover is your family, so that peace of mind doesn't rest with the individual, but rests with the persons who support the individual along their life journey. Hi, good afternoon, Denise. How are you today?
I'm okay.
Great. Thank you so much for having me. And, I'm proud to represent CUNA Caribbean Insurance. Today, my whole government name is Lisa Hernandez, but everybody calls me Liz from CUNA. I'm the manager of business development at CUNA, who's been here in the Caribbean for over 60 years. So we've been here a little while, and we have a suite of insurance products that fits every pocket and suits everyone. We are really predominantly a life insurance company, so we do group life as well as critical illness, pension products, and that's really what we do in terms of insurance products for Trinidad and Tobago and the wider Caribbean.
Hi Liz, welcome to our SGP booth. Thank you so much for joining us and taking the time to do an interview with us.
Yes.
So I want you to elaborate more and tell us why families feel so good to come to CUNA Credit Union.
Well, first of all, our products are targeted at being affordable and timely and accessible. So we would have been known for being accessible through the credit union market, and we have about 120 something credit unions in Trinidad and Tobago. Our products are, however, available at non-credit union institutions like insurance brokers, funeral homes, and really, if it is that you are confused at all about how to access our products, you can come to us directly and ask us how to help you. But our products are affordable. We secure a family of 9 for as little as $63.40 a month. And that is, I think, the best in class and best in the market today.
Okay, so why TIC 2026? What does CUNA offer that TIC would be a part of?
So we've been at TIC at least for the last 3 years or maybe 4, and we are really trying to let persons know that we are here, we are affordable, we are a real option for financial security, and we are as large as some of the bigger names in the market. 2026 is pivotal for us. We have just done a revamp of our product. We used to cover 5 persons, now we cover 6 persons, now we cover 9. And so we want to interact with the public and let them know about the additional benefits that we have on the products. The extra persons covered, the terminal illness benefit, the accidental coverage. We just want persons to know that not only do you have affordable financial security available, but it comes with a whole lot of benefits.
So your name says it all, your CUNA Caribbean Insurance.
Yes.
Tell us, how wide is the range through the Caribbean? How many branches do you all have through the Caribbean?
So the nice thing about CUNA is that we have one main office in Trinidad, but our sales force operates from Toko to Ikaka, St. Matlot, Mayaro. We go and we service our clients and we meet them where they are needed. So whereas persons who are at the credit union will go into the credit union, we do go out to meet with persons. We have outreaches, we have caravans, and so our sales team goes across Trinidad and Tobago.
Okay, so we know there are many credit unions throughout the country, Trinidad, Tobago, the region.
Right.
What makes a consumer want to come to CUNA Caribbean Insurance?
Well, besides the fact that we have we cover an entire family. So if you go to a normal insurance firm, they will cover you by yourself. And it may cost 200, 300, up to, how much ever, hundreds of dollars. But what we cover is your family, so that peace of mind doesn't rest with the individual, but rests with the persons who support the individual along their life journey. And so when you look at, if I were to spend $600 and cover myself, or spend $600 and cover 9 people, in today's economic climate, it makes sense to do the latter.
So can you just explain for me the difference? Because I know you represent CUNA Caribbean Insurance.
Sure.
And there's also CUNA Credit Union. Explain to me how the 2 companies are merged.
Okay, so first of all, that's a misalignment or misnomer. We are not a credit union at all. So there's nothing called CUNA Credit Union. We support the credit union movement, and so persons think that we are a credit union, but we are not a credit union. We're the insurance company that was born out of the credit union movement.
Oh,
Yes.
thank you for that clarification.
You're most welcome.
Okay, so if you have to leave the clients and potential consumers
Yeah.
with a message as to why they should choose CUNA Caribbean Insurance,
Yeah.
not credit union, CUNA Caribbean Insurance, what exactly would you tell a potential customer?
Besides the fact that we want to make sure that you have peace of mind, our services we offer go towards peace of mind in all aspects. So we offer loan coverage, savings coverage, pension planning, estate planning, life insurance, like group life insurance, critical illness insurance, and therefore we really take the pieces of your life and give you peace of mind. And that's why you should choose CUNA Caribbean Insurance.
You mentioned earlier that CUNA Caribbean Insurance have been in operation for over 6 years.
Yes.
Well, what is the guarantee of CUNA Caribbean Insurance?
So once you have a valid certificate with us, our contract says that in 5 business days or less that you will receive your benefits once it is you have a claim. We are not a fly-by-night company. We are entrenched in the development of financial security across Trinidad and Tobago. We are not going anywhere. We've been here. We have expanded towards the Caribbean, and therefore our footprint is widening. And so persons could feel rest assured that we will be there and be there when they're in their crisis to support their family.
Funny you should mention a fly-by-night, because the general perception of insurance is that people don't trust insurance for the mere reason that once you get and you have a claim, you get a lot of runaround to get the money.
Yeah.
Can you assure us that CUNA Caribbean Insurance is not that?
We are definitely not a fly-by-night, and once you have a valid certificate, now a valid certificate meaning that your premiums are paid, that you've gone through the correct process, you check your certificate, make sure who you would like to have covered are covered on the certificate, there's not going to be a problem. I can guarantee. I've been a recipient or a beneficiary from that plan myself when I had that in my family. And you can ask anybody. We've interviewed persons at our booth 185, and we've heard the stories of persons said, they were very surprised and happy that having gone through and taken the plan, they got their money in quick time and they were not disappointed.
Thank you so much, Liz, for
You're
joining
welcome.
us and taking the time to discuss further on CUNA Caribbean Insurance.
Yes.
We appreciate you.
Thank you very much, Denise.
You're
Have a
welcome.
great day. Bye.
Same to you.